welcome back to my channel. Is another beautiful tutorial. This tutorial is a different one, guys. So this video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. Sogoodhair. So guys, so I did not touch the package as it arrived. This is how the package arrived from DHL. I hope you can see it. So guys, we are going to be unboxing this hair together. So this is how the package arrived Nigeria, sent by Sogoodhair through DHL. So this is the package. I've not done anything to this hair. I said let's unbox it together. So guys, after unboxing it, I'm going to give you guys my honest review about this hair, what I feel about this hair. So here is the baby from Sogoodhair. I don't know if you can see it very well. So Sogoodhair, let's unbox it. Let's open it and see what is inside the pack. Wow, we have a lot here. This is an additional gift they sent with the hair. So let's start from here first because I'm seeing a lot of goodies inside here. This is what you are going to get if you order from this company. So guys, we are unboxing this gift item before we go over to the hair. Let's do it. Inside the gift item we have this cap in case you want to wear the wig, like what I'm wearing on my head now. So you have two pieces of the cap inside here for you. Then another thing is you have your hair band. This is what you use to like tie your edges from so good. I can't wait to start rocking it. So I love it. The color is so wonderful. The size, the length, the width, everything is perfect about this hair tie. Then you have this to style your edges. You can see. Then another thing, you have extra band. This is adjustable band that you use to adjust the cap in case it's oversized or too small. So guys, we have tweezer for lashes still inside the package. So you use it to tweeze in case you want to plug out some of the hair. If you feel that it's too full, the frontal or wherever you want to plug. And again, you can use it to fix your lashes, your individual lashes. The quality is so super. Then inside it again we'll have lashes. I can't wait to rock this one. I love these lashes. It's not too long, it's not too small, it's just on the moderate size. Then the one that is tripping me is this earring. As if they know I like both earrings. They just gifting me this. I love this. I love this. So let's open it. This company, they know I love wearing, you know, like bold earring. Look at this. Look at this baby. My next video, you go hear them. So here is it. So guys, I love the earring. Let's see how it looks. Though I'm wearing one already. See, it's nice. So many more gifts coming in. I think it's still remaining one thing inside here. What is this? Open it. Let's see. Okay, this is comb. It's too small. That is the reason why I couldn't recognize what it is. This is hair comb, you know. You can see it's small, but it's okay. The quality is so powerful. So guys, this and many more is what you are going to get when you order from Sogood. So let's continue. Shower cap. I'm going to bet with shower, you know. I want to wear this cap on my head and see how it looks. But the cap is okay. The color is so wonderful. It's not too shouty. I love it. In fact, this is my best color. Let's bring it out. Guys, you can see. Wow. From So Good. Boldly written on the body. So let's move over to the hair. This is how the hair came in. As you can see, let's open it together. Like I told you guys, I'm going to give my honest review about this hair. You guys know I love good hair. If you are watching my video, you should know I love good hair. I try as much as I can to use good hair for you guys, because I know that since I love good hair, my followers should love good hair as well. So this is it. This is how it came. I love this hair. The texture of this hair, so superb. And I love the length as well, because I've not had any hair that is this length. So I love the length. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys inside of this cap. So it came with comb, 3 comb. Yeah, 3 comb, 1 at the front, then 2 by the side of the. You can see this hair. Just check it out now. Check. This hair is beautiful. See the texture. I can't wait to start rocking this hair. Let me just get my brush it. And I love the way the front is. I just love everything moderate. So I love the way it is. Like this thing matches with the color of my skin. Just check it out now. See it, guys. I don't need to do much work on this. Just start rocking my hair. Check it out. Just little work. So, and you know I'm going to cut off these edges. The hair is beautiful. Let me get my brush so that we do more testing. I love this cap. Inside, the size is okay. I think this should be medium size. What do you think? Everything about this hair is going to be on the description box. Guys, check this hair out. You will love this hair. You will love this hair. You will definitely love this hair. I love the length. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can install this hair by yourself at home without going to the salon. We are not going to be using gum. I'm just going to do it my own style, because like I said at the beginning of this video, so many of you have been asking, how do you wear your wig? How do you do that? You don't show us today. Just watch this video, because if you miss it, I won't do it again. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'll do it again. I'll do it again for your sake. So, but keep watching to learn how I wear my wig. I'm not going to be using gum because I don't like gum for anything. So, I'm going to be showing you how I lay down the frontal to look real. Make it, relax. So let's see. But you see the way the coils is coming out. I love this hair. Talking of shading, I'm not seeing much here. Look at the brush. Even our normal natural hair do shade, so the shading is just okay. So I think this length should be 14 inches. So guys, this is the hair. This is how it is. This is a side part. So the size of the cap is okay for my head, but I think I need a little adjustment. So is the hair not beautiful? Is your hair not beautiful? The texture, this hair does not shade. It's just the shading is just minimal, and brushing it out is very easy, to brush it out. I love it. And you saw me when I spray. Immediately I spray, the coils and everything just came out. So the hair is very okay. So nice for the price. So nice for you guys, lover of good things. So if you want this hair, run to the description box and place your order. Use my coupon code and get 10% off. So guys, if you look very well now, you see that the line is not, the part is not showing very well. Let me just put it that way. It's not showing, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck a little bit out of it so that the line can come out very well. So this is nice, so just check it out. So the density of the hair is 150 and it's very okay, because I used to see hair with 150 density and I'll be like, this is not it, this is so, you know, like scanty, but this one is different. This one just beat me down. My expectation of this hair just, you know, like, I love this hair. I don't know how to put it, I don't know how to say it. I love the hair. Everything about the hair is so good hair. The hair is so good, and the company as well is so good hair. So guys, you need to check their product out. So let's go ahead and quickly plug the parts. So guys, I'm done with the plucking and cutting off the net at the edges. This is how I wear my wig for outing, back to school, wherever you are going to. This is what I do. So I have my hair. The first thing I'll do is wear my cap, as you can see. Then my edge control, I'll use it to push my natural hair inside. So I'm done. So the next thing I'll do is go ahead with my edge control, use it to tap the edges of my hair. Do not pack it that much. So when I'm done, it's time to wear my cap. For those of you asking me, how do you install your wig? Show us. This is it. I will go ahead and wear it. Boom. Can you see it? How it's laid? Then I'll do the same thing to the other side. So guys, you see that? This is the work of edge control. I don't use gum for my hair. See this side? You see the way it's laid down? As if I use glue. So this is how I rock and style my wig at home. I don't need glue to rock my wig. So you can see it's well firmed on my head, no stress. Meanwhile, this wig is very, very beautiful. Beautiful, guys. You need this wig at home. You really need this wig at home. So easy way to install your wig at home, back to school, featuring Sogoodhair. This hair is the bomb. This hair is a must have. So guys, if you want this hair, kindly check the description box and use my coupon code for a discount of 10%. So guys, I didn't use this extra band. You can see it. This is adjustable band. I didn't use it. The one that the wig came with is very okay, very tight on my hair, on my head. So as you can see how the wig is laid down. Guys, you need to check out So Good Hair. Please follow the link on the description box to see varieties of hair you can choose from. This hair is wonderful. And remember, if you are buying from them, you are getting extra gifts. As you can see here, like I showed you guys, you are getting extra gifts, my jewelries, so many other interesting items they will gifting you. So check out this company. Their hair is lovely.